In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an extract in Tableau Desktop. Whether you're new to Tableau or just need a refresher, this process is an essential skill for managing and optimizing your data for analysis. Let's get started. First, let's begin by opening your preferred browser and searching for Tableau. Once you're on the Tableau website, you'll need to log in if you already have an account. Otherwise, take the moment to sign up for an account. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the on-screen prompts to create your profile. Having your credentials ready will make accessing Tableau more efficient in the future. After you've logged in or signed up, open your Tableau desktop application and locate your Tableau workbook where you've been working. Within this workbook, you'll want to open the specific worksheet that you'll be using for your data analysis. It's crucial to ensure that your workbook is set up properly, as this will ease subsequent steps and help avoid potential pitfalls. Once you're set with your workbook, you'll find yourself on the data source page. This page is where your data is displayed, and it's essential to take a few moments to ensure your data source is correctly configured. This might involve joining tables if necessary, or making sure the data types are appropriately set. Doing this check early on helps prevent issues later and ensures that your data extracts accurately reflect your data's structure and relationships. Next, in the top right corner of the data source page, you'll notice an Extract option. Click on it to prepare to set your data for extraction. This selection brings you closer to converting your live data connection into an extract, enhancing your Tableau performance by working with a snapshot of your data. Moving on, click the Edit link adjacent to the Extract option. This action opens up the Extract Data dialog box. Here's where you have the opportunity to define how Tableau will handle your data in the extract form. Within this dialog box, you have a pivotal choice to make between logical tables and physical tables. Logical tables are the default selection and are ideal if you're working with joins. However, choosing physical tables gives you the flexibility for more intricate customization if your analysis requires it. After you've appropriately chosen how you want to store your extract data, go ahead and click OK in the Extract Data dialog box. At this point, you'll switch to a Sheet tab, prompting Tableau to initiate the extract creation process. This step is the final piece in setting up your data for efficient and high-performance analysis. It's a good practice to monitor this process to ensure everything runs smoothly. Remember, mastering Tableau's extract feature is a powerful step towards managing your data efficiently, allowing you to analyze and visualize with greater speed and reliability. Thank you for tuning in, and happy analyzing.